Okay, we start. Om Kujantam Rama Rameti Madhuram Madhuraksharam Aruhya Kavita Shakham Vande Valmiki Kokilam Valmikir Murisimhasya Kavita Vanacharinaha Srunvan Rama Kadhanadam को न याति पराङ्गतिम् यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम् गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिं मशकीकृतराक्षसम् रामायणमहामालारत्नं वन्दे अनिलात्मजम् अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरम् जानकीशोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करं मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि उल्लङ्घ्य सिन्धो सलिलं सलीलम् यशोकवह्निं जनकात्मजायाः आदाय तेनैव ददाह लङ्कां नमामि तं प्राञ्जलिराञ्जनेयम् आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम् श्रीराघवं दशरथात्मजमप्रमेयं सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वयरत्नदीपम् आजानुबाहुम् अरविन्ददलायताक्षं रामं निशाचरविनाशकरं नमामि वैदेही सहितं सुरद्रुमतले हैमे महामण्टपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुस्थितम् अग्रे वाचयति प्रभञ्जनसुते तत्त्वं मुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं भरतादिभिः परिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामलं नमोऽस्तु रामाय सलक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै नमोऽस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमानिलेभ्यो नमोऽस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः चरितं रघुनाथस्य शतकोटिप्रविस्तरम् एकैकमक्षरं प्रोक्तं महापातकनाशनं शृण्वन् रामायणं भक्त्या यः पादं पदमेव वा स याति ब्रह्मणस्थानं ब्रह्मणा पूज्यते सदा रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः सीतायाः पतये नमः ॐ श्रीमात्रे नमः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ हरिः ॐ everybody. We are doing Ramayana Navaha Mahayajnam. Today it is third day. We have done 2 days already. We started with Balakandam. We saw Sankshipta Ramayanam told by Narada Maharshi to Valmiki Maharshi. And then Sri Rama Jananam. And then Sita Jananam. All that. Today it's going to be Sita, how Sita Mata appeared, and Sita Kalyanam, Sita Rama Kalyanam. That is what is going to happen now. So far we have seen all that, and then Vishwamitra Maharshi comes for Yaga Rakshana, and Dasharatha Maharaja did not want to send Rama and Lakshmana, and then but Vasishta convinces him, and then they go for Yaga Rakshana, and then Tataka Vadha, Subahu Vadha, and Maricha fell far away, and all that we have seen so far. And in between, lot of ashramas we have seen, and small stories. Kartikeya Jananam, Ganga Avataranam, and then Vishwamitra story little bit, his father, and Gadhi, his father, and then they came to Midhila. There Shatananda, Janaka Maharshi's priest and mentor and guru, told elaborately about Vishwamitra Maharshi's story, how he became king to Rajarshi, to Maharshi and Brahmarshi. Almost like 15 sargas, all that we have seen elaborately. And in that Gautama Maharshi's ashramam, Gautama and Ahalya's ashramam, and how Ahalya Mata got purified doing the Ramanamam, Ramajapam, and then blessings of Sri Rama. All that we have seen, and today we are entering into Balakandam 66th Sarga. Balakanda has 77 Sargas. Now all of them came to Janaka Midhilapuri. Janaka Maharshi received them with utmost humility and with devotion. Vishwamitra Maharshi, Rama Lakshmana, all of them. And whole night they were talking, and then everybody went back to rest. And now this is the morning time. And then what happens in the morning time? Now let us see. Janaka Maharshi is speaking to Vishwamitra Maharshi. Tatah prabhate vimale kruta karma naradhipaha Vishwamitram mahatmanam amajuhava saraghavam. Early morning, Janaka Maharaju did all his Sandhya Vandanam and morning duties and received Vishwamitra Maharshi with utmost devotion and humility with Rama and Lakshmana. And then what happened is, Tamarchayitva Dharmatma Shastra Drushtena Karmana Raghavaucha Mahatmanau Tada Vakyamuvachaham. So now Vishwamitra Maharshi was very happy, and then asked who are they, and the boys, and then Vishwamitra explains very well. They both are Rama and Lakshmana and Dasharatha's sons, and they want to see your Dhanasu. That's what Vishwamitra expressed. Now Dasharatha, what happened is Janaka Maharaju agrees to show the Dhanasu bow, Shiva Dhanasu, and then tells the Shiva Dhanasu story. Let us see some shlokas. Yetad darshaya bhadram te kruta kamau nrupatmajau darshanadasya dhanusho yadheshtam pratiyasyataham. Please show the Shiva Dhanasu. Now platform is getting ready for Sita Rama Kalyanam. That is the purpose. Bhagavan took the birth because finally Ravana Vada has to happen. That is the goal. Sri Rama Jananam took place. That is the first step. Now Shiva Bhangam has to happen. That is the second step. Then Sita Rama Kalyanam. So this is what we are in now. All the platforms are getting ready. Eva muktastu janakaha pratyuvacha mahamunim sruyatamasya dhanusho yadardamihatishtati. And now Janaka Maharaju started telling the Vrittantam Kadha of this Dhanusu, how his clan, his Vamsham got this Dhanusu. Devarata iti khyato nimehe shashto mahipatihi nyaso yam tasya bhagavan haste datto mahatmanaha. We have all the kings are called Nimi Chakravartis in Midhila Desham, and that sixth from that Nimichakravarti, there is a person called Devaratudu. He is the great king, Devaratudu. And then to that Devarata, Shiva Mahatmana, that Lord Shiva himself gave this Shivadhanusu. Shivadhanasu is kept here with Devaratudu. After the Dakshayajnam, all that, because Devaratudu is the very great tapasvi and great Maharshi, Mahatma. So that is why that Shivadhanasu kept with him. And then what happened is we are all doing Paramparagatam. That Dhanusu, we are doing the puja every day and doing the offerings, taking care of very well. So this is what happened. And now, what happened now, I will tell you this. Before we proceed, before I show you this, I want to tell you something. Oh, Vishwamitra Maharshi, that is what Janaka is saying. Adhame krushat kshetram langaladudhita maya kshetram shodhayata labda namna siteti vishruta. Now Sita Mata Jananam he is telling. He told about Dhanusu. Now Sita Mata Jananam. One time I wanted to do the yajnam. To perform the yajnam, you need to plow the earth with plowing with a nagali that has the sharp edge and then they covered with gold. While doing that, plowing the earth, we found Ayonija, this baby girl. That is why she came from earth. Bhudevi is her mother. Because of this plowing earth, Nagayeti Chalu. That's why I gave the name Sita. So that's why Ayonija and Sita. And affectionately, lovingly, I was taking care of her and she is growing very well. And then slowly, the time has to come for her to get married. Then what happened is, Bhutaladuddhita satu vyavardhata mamatmaja virya shulketi me kanya stapiteya ayam ayonija. What I decided is, she is virya shulka, because whoever has the parakramam, valory, viryam, to that person alone, I'm going to give this Sita. That is what I made the pratigna. I took the vow in that way. I'm not going to give Sita to normal people or ordinary people. Whoever lifts this Dhanusu, that bow, I'm going to give her because she is Virya Shulka. So that is what I took the vow. And then Tesham Varayatam Kanyam Sarvesham Prudhivikshatam Virya Shulketi Bhagavan Nadadami Sutamaham. But lot of kings and princes, all of them, they did not listen to me, my words. All of them, they used to come here asking for Sita. I told them, this is my pratigna. If you lift this Dhanusu, break this Dhanusu, I will give my daughter Sita. And they could not even move this. Then what happened? They were all felt insulted, all the kings. Then they attacked my Mithila Desham. I was feeling very, very lonely and I did not have any support. That time I did the tapas, praying all the gods to help me. Then Devatas send their Chaturanga Balas. That is what happens when we do tapasu. Even yesterday we saw in Sundarakanda chanting class, Namostu Ramaya Salakshmanaya in 13th Sarga, Hanumanji did tapasu. prayed all the gods, Indra, Varuna, Agni, Surya, Vayu, all of them. Then he saw Ashokavanam. Here also, Janaka Maharaju did the tapassu. That way, gods helped him. So then that's what happened, and he is preparing the platform, and then I will show you the Dhanusu. I'm just giving you the introduction. Then he says, Yadyasya dharusho Ramaha kuryadaropanam mune sutamayo nijam sitam dadyam dasharadheraham. So in the yajnam, everybody is sitting there. This is yajna time. That time Janaka Maharaju announces what, in case if this Rama lifts this arrow, this bow, I am going to give my daughter Sita to him. He announces in public. Now everybody knows that Rama lifts this bow, Sita is going to get married to Rama. So this is the announcement Janaka Maharaju did in front of everybody, telling the story to Vishwamitra and Rama and Lakshmana, all that. Now the platform is ready, and now Janaka Maharaju decided to bring the Dhanusu. Vishwamitra reminded that Janakasya vacha srutva Vishwamitro Mahamunihi Dhanurdarshaya Ramaya iti hovacha Parthivam. Vishwamitra heard everything, whatever Janaka Maharaju said and told, and then asked Janaka to bring the Dhanusu. Let us see what happens. And then now let us see how they are bringing the Dhanusu. Everything is really preparation for Sita Rama Kalyanam. Nrunam Shatani Panchashat Vyayatanam Mahatmanam Manjusha Mashta Chakram Samu Huste Kadham Chana. That box, the box which the Dhanusu, I will use the word Dhanusu because you all know what is Dhanusu, kept the description of that box. It has 8 wheels, huge box, 8 wheels, and 5,000 strong and then very powerful people are bringing that. 5,000 strong, well equipped, kind of exercised people, and with 8 chakras vehicle. That's where that Dhanusu kept, and they brought to the Yajna Vatika. That's how heavy is Shiva Dhanusu, not an ordinary one. That is why ordinary things could not lift or ekupetatam, means breaking the bow. They could not do it. Now Vishwamitra is telling to Sri Rama. Vishwamitrastu dharmatma shrutva janaka bhashitam vatsa Rama dhanupashya iti raghavam abravit. Vishwamitra is saying to Sri Rama, "Oh Rama, look at the dhanu." Means look means just do whatever has to be done. I know you are capable of doing that. So that's why lift it and break the bow and marry Sita Mata. That is what Vishwamitra's intention. That is the purpose he brought Rama here. On the way, they are all small chores they did, Tataka killing, all that. But main purpose is this. Because Ravana Vada has to happen, Loka Kalyanam has to take place. All the platform is getting ready. Listening to Vishwamitra's words, now Sri Rama says, Brahmarsher vachanadramo yatra tishtati tadhanuhu manjusham tam apavrutya drishtva dhanuradha bravit. And doing the namaskaram and pradakshina to Vishwamitra, And then he opened this box. Manjusha means box. How beautiful word in Sanskritam. Manjusha. Manjusha means the box. Pette. We call in Telugu. Pette. And then he saw that Dhanusu. And then what happened? Then now, actual incident. Now this is what is going to happen. Idam dhanurvaram brahman samsprushyaamiha panina yatnavamscha bhavishyami tolane purane pivam. Then what Ramachandra ji said, first I'm going to touch, means doing the namaskaram to Shivadhanusu, because that is Shiva, given by Lord Shiva. And then I'm going to move it. Tolane. Tolane means I'm going to just move little bit. And third one, Purane Piva. Purana means break that. Ekku petti break chetam. Lift it and break it. That's what I'm going to do. He told Vishwamitra Maharshi and Janaka Maharaja to everybody. Then they are saying, Badhamityeva tam raja munischa samabhashata leelayasa dhanurmadhye jagraha vachanan munehe. Okay, they said okay. Badham means okay. Do that way. And then just leelaya, effortlessly, Rama lifted that bow, effortlessly, and kept his hand dhanur madhye, in the middle of that dhanu. And then everybody is watching in that yajna vatika. Pashyatam rupa sahasranam bahunam raghunandanaha aropayatsa dharmatma salilamiva tadhanuhu. While everybody is watching, bahunam sahasranam, aneka vela mandi, thousands and thousands of people gathered there, because that is the yajnam, pavitramaina yajnam. And then Sri Rama like effortlessly lifted, and then just took it, that bow, all the way to his ears, and then Akarnantam, and broke it. Aropayitva dharmatma purayamasa tadhanuhu tadabhanja dhanurmadhye narasreshto mahayashaha. Then tadbhabanja, that bow, dhanusu, broke in middle. Effortlessly, Sri Rama did it. Nobody could even touch it and lift it, that bow. Listening to that dhvani, the sound, all of them fell down, except Rama, Lakshmana, Vishwamitra and Janaka. All of them fell down on the ground. And then, seeing that Janaka Maharaja is speaking, Bhagavan drushta viryo me Ramo dasharathatmajaha atyadbhutam achintyam cha natarkitamidam maya. Wow, what a beautiful, wonderful, unthinkable, unimaginable, wonderful incident I have seen now. How great is Rama. Drushta viryo, I have seen how valor, Veera Parakramavantalu is Rama, nothing but Dasharathatmajaha, Dasharatha's son. Now he's saying, my pratigna will get fulfilled. I did the pratigna what? Virya Shulka. She is a Virya Shulka. Sita Mata is a Virya Shulka. Whoever has the Parakramam, to that person only I will give my daughter. That is the pratigna I did. Now my pratigna is going to get fulfilled. I am very happy. Janakanam kule kirtim aharishyati me suta Sita bhartara masadya Ramam dasharathatmajam mama satya pratigna cha virya shulketi kaushika Sita pranair bahumata deya ramaya me suta bhavato anumate brahman shighram gachantu mantrinaha mama kaushika bhadram te ayodhyam tvarita rathaihi. Now my pratigna is fulfilled. I am very happy, and I am going to give my Bahi Pranam. My Sita is my Pranam. My life I'm going to give it to Rama. And then this Sita Ramanu, this Sita is going to bring Kirti to my Vamsham. And then after getting the husband, Rama as her husband, and then, oh Maharshi, oh Vishwamitra Maharshi, please give the permission to go to Ayodhya and bring Dasharatha. So that way we will perform the marriage ceremony. So that is what, see how humble Janaka Maharaju is. He's not, oh, I made the decision, this is my plan, all that. No. He's asking Vishwamitra Maharshi that to give the permission to send his ministers and all the well-wishers to send to Ayodhya, because Dasharatha has to be informed. And then Dasharatha's orders, 5 of them, great 5 soldiers, servants, dutas went to Ayodhya. And then it took them 3 days to go to Ayodhya. And then there they told everything what happened with sweet Madhura Vachanam, with good words, and softly they told whatever happened. And Vishwamitra Maharshi, Shatananda, Janaka all agreed to this plan. And then please all of you come to Mithila. And they are we will perform, they said we will perform the Vivaha Mahotsavam. So that is what the Dutas told. And Dasharatha was very, very happy. Janakena samadishta Dutaste klantavahanaha Triratramushita marge te Ayodhyam pravishan purim. After 3 days, they went to Ayodhya. And then, now Dasharatha is here, Ayodhya, what is happening? Dasharatha was so excited and he told everybody, all the Sumantra and the ministers, all of them, please get ready. And then these Dutas are rushing me. We have to get all the materials, so much wealth, health, money and jewels, all of them. And then Dasharatha Maharaju started going to Mithila with all his Sena, with all his army well-wishers. Now let us see. Tato Racham Yatitayam Sopadhyaya Subandhavaha Raja Dasharatho Hrushtaha Sumantramidam Abravit Adya Sarve Dhanadhyaksha Dhanamadaya Pushkalam Vrajantvagre Suvihita Nana Ratna Samanvitaha. Oh Sumantra, first you leave with big army, taking lot of money and then lot of jewelry. Because now this is a Vivaham, marriage is going to take place. And these Dutas are rushing me. I will also come with all the Parivaram. You go ahead. I'm very, very happy. That is what he is instructing Sumantra. And now let us see some list who is going. Vasishto, all the Rishi Ganas, because they are all waiting for the Sitarama Kalyana Mahotsavam. Vasishto Vamadevascha Jabadiradhakashyapaha Markandeyascha Dirghayuhu Rushikachyayanastatha Ete Dvijaha Prayantvagre Syandanam Yojayasya me Yadha Kalachyayo Nasyadyutahi Tvarayantimam. Before it gets very late, let us just go and leave from here with all the Rishiganas, Muniganas, Vashishta, Vamadeva, all the list I have read already. Markandeya, Maharshi, Kashyapa, all of them, they started going to Mithila Nagaram. It took 4 days for them to go to Mithila Nagaram. On the way, Janaka Maharaju arranged so many facilities for all of them, for them to stay at night time. All the great arrangements have done by the Janaka Maharaju. And now everybody came after 4 days. And then Janaka Maharaju was very, very happy to receive Dasharatha Maharaju. Buvacha cha narasreshto narasreshtam mudannitaha. Both of them are narasreshta. Two narasreshtas are used. Look at Valmiki Maharshi's Kavita Chaturyam. So that's why the shlokas are very well written, madhuram, beautiful words, chandobaddham, layabaddham. To chant or to sing. Narasreshtam. Two Narasreshtas are done back to back. One Narasreshtam is for Janaka Maharaju. Another Narasreshtam is for Dasharatha Maharaju. How beautiful it is. This Narasreshta is receiving that Narasreshta. Swagatam te Maharaja Dishtya Praptosi Raghava Putrayorubhayo Pritim Lapsyase Virya Nirjitam. O Dasharatha Maharaja, O Narasreshta, Dishtya means you are very, very lucky. You are Bhagyavasham. You got Rama and Lakshmana. They both are very, very humble, very, very great Mahavirulu valu. So that's why you are very lucky. Bhagyavasham, you got those putra sons. Like this, he really praises. Dishtya means this bhagyam. And my bhagyam also, because I am able to see Vasishta Maharshi. Dishtya prapto mahateja vasishto bhagavan rishihi saha sarvaihi dvijaihi dvijasreshtaihi devaihi rivashat akratuhu. I am able to see all the Rishiganas, Muniganas, Divya Ganas. This is also my bhagyam. Dishtya me nirjita vigna, dishtya me pujita kulam, raghavaisaha sambandhat, virya sreshtair mahatmabhihi. This is my bhagyavasham. Dishtya means Ram Bhagyam. I am able to do the sambandham with Raghuvamsha Rajalato. How lucky I am. And that Raghuvamsha is the Sreshtam. And that Kulam is very great. Shvaprabhate Narendendra Nirvartaitum Arhasi Yajnasyante Narasreshta Vivaham Rushi Sammatam. O Narasreshta, O Dasharatha Maharaja, tomorrow in the morning, Rushi Sammetam Vivaham. All the Rishis agreed to do this marriage ceremony, Vivaham. That marriage ceremony will perform in the morning. Tomorrow morning is going to be the Janaka Sita Rama Kalyanam. That is the Muhurtam Rishis have decided. Means today for us. Janakopi Mahatejaha Kriyam Dharmena Tatvavit Yajnasya cha Sutabhyam cha Krutva Ratri Muvasaha. And that night they all prepared for Ankurarpanam. And then they had to do all the so many rituals, so many ceremonies. Janaka Maharaju did all of them. So next day morning, they are going to perform Sita Rama Kalyanam. And that's what the Muhurtam has decided. And meanwhile, what Janaka Maharaja did is sent his army to bring his son. He has a son, is Kushadhvaja. Kushadhvaja has two daughters also. And Janaka Maharaju has two. One is Sita and Urmila. Urmila comes after. First Sita, then Urmila. Kushadhvaja, Janaka Maharaju's brother, that he has two daughters, Urmila and Mandavi. So with that Parivaram, you come. That's the instruction Janaka Maharaju gave to these Dutas, and then sent to the kingdom, Kushadhvaja's kingdom. And then he discussed with Shatananda. See, first they always discuss with great rishis, elders. That is our Sanatana Dharma. First discuss with the parents, discuss with elders, and then proceed. That is the Sanatana Dharma. So many times in Ayodhya Kanda that comes Sanatana Dharma. Follow the instructions of parents. First father and mother. Tatah prabhate janakah krutakarma maharshibihi uvacha vakyam vaknyajnaha shatanandam purohitam. The Shatananda, he discussed and sent to Kushadhvaja, and everybody came, and then all the platform is ready. Now Vasishta Maharshi says Pravara, it is called Pravara, means Raghuvamsha, whole Raghuvamsha is described. How great they are all. This is really very great to listen. All of them are Mahatma's names. They from Purvam, Purvottaram, all that he will say, Vasishta Maharshi. How great this clan is. Great Maharshi's names, we will just listen. Dasharatha Maharajas, as per Dasharatha Maharaja's request, Vasishta start Pravara of Sri Ramachandra. First is Avyaktam, unmanifest. Parabrahma Paramatma, the Avyaktam, unmanifest came, Avyaktam. Then Brahmaji, Srishtikarta, Marichi, Kashyapudu, Suryudu, then Manuvu, Ikshvakuvu. That's why we know that is the first Ayodhya king. Nagaram is Ayodhya. First king is Ikshvaku. Manu built this Ayodhya Nagaram. That is why Ikshvaku Kula Tilaka Ramachandra. We have so many Tyagaraja Kirtana. So many are there, right? So then let us see. Someday we will have in Navaham. We will plan one couple of songs. Let us see. Because by the time we finish, it is for lunchtime for you. So that's why we are not having the time. Ikshvaku, first king is Ikshvaku. Then Kukshi, Vikukshi, Banudu, Anaranyudu, Prudhuvu, Trishankuvu. He is very famous. Trishanku Swargam, we are very much familiar. Dundumarudu, Yuvanashpudu, Mamdhata. He is also very great. All of them are great. Some of them are very famous. Susandhi. Susandhi has two sons. Dhruvasandhi, Prasenajit. And then Dhruvasandhi has Bharatudu, Asitudu, Sagarudu. Sagara we have seen elaborately. That's how, because of Sagara, we got this Ganga Avataranam time. We have seen that. Asamanjasudu, Amshumantudu, Dilipudu, Bhagiradudu, Kakutsudu. They are all from the Surya Vamsham, all this Raghu Vamsham. Bhagiradudu, Kakutsudu, Raghuvu, Raghu Maharaj, Prabruddhudu, Shankanudu, Sudarshanudu, Agnivarnudu, Shighragudu, Maruvu, Prasrushukudu, Ambarishudu, Nahushudu, Yayati. Yayati is also very great Maharshi. It comes in Bhagavatam, Yayati. Nabhagudu, Ajudu, Dasharathudu, Aja Maharaj. Ajudu's son is Dasharatha Maharaju. Dasharatha Maharaju's son is Rama, sons are Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrugnu. This is what Sri Ramachandra's Vamsham clan is. Oh, Janaka Maharaja. So that is why Ikshvakukula Vamsham. So Adi Vamsha Vishuddhanam, Rajnyam Paramadharminam, Ikshvakukula Jatanam, Veeranam Satyavadanam, Rama Lakshmana Yorarthe, Tvatsute Varayen Rupa, Sadrushabhyam Rupasreshta, Sadrushedatu Marhasi. O Janaka Maharaja, this Vamsham, they are all Paramadharminam, Dharmikulu. And then Satyavadinam always speaks the truth. And then to that Vamsha, all of them, Vamsha Vishuddhanam, very, very pure souls, tapasvis. To that clan, this Ikshvakukura Jatanam, Rama, Lakshmana, all of you give your daughters. So that's what Janaka Maharaju is saying. So Janaka Maharaja, please give your daughters. This is how, that's why they say in the marriage, olden days, nowadays everything is gone anyway. I have to use the word olden days. even not long time ago, 30 years ago, they used to see. That's why they say 7 generations this side, 7 generations that side. See who are their grandparents, parents, where they are born, what kind of, not so much wealth, education, and then how they are dharmam, are they really pious, whole family. Now nothing, everything is gone anyway, you all know. Now only no education, nothing. Whoever has money, that's it, they are done case. Everywhere, any field, whoever has money, done case. So that is everything can get done. So that is why this is the very, very pure Vamsham. Vasishta Maharshi concluded saying the Pravara. Now, Shatananda is saying the Pravara of Janaka Maharaju. This side now, Sita Mata side. This comes in 70 and 71 Sarga. From 66 to we see the Sita Mata Ramachandra Kalyanam. First now Janak Evam Bruvanam Janakaha Pratyuvacha Krutanjalihi Srotumarhasi Bhadraante Kulam Nahaparikirtitam Pradanihi Munisreshta Kulam Niravaseshataha Vaktavyam Kula Jatena Tannibodha Mahamune. And then, so now this is what, folding his hand now to Vasishta, then he's telling Janaka Maharaju is saying his pravara. First is Nimi Chakravarti, then Midhi. He built this Midhila Nagaram. That is why it is called Midhila Desham. He is the first Janaka. See, in Midhila Vamsham, that is why this mother got Maidhili. There they are all called Janaka. Like here they say Robert 1, Robert Junior, Robert Senior, like that. Here also 1, 2, 3 like that. Many, they are all called Janakas. Midhi. Then Budavasu, Nandivardhanudu, Suketuvu, Devaratudu. He is the 6th one coming from Nimi. So that is where who kept this Shivadhanusu. Brahmadradudu, Mahavirudu, Sudruti, Drushtaketuvu, Haryashvudu, Marudu, Pratidakshudu, Kirti Radha Maharaju, Deva Medudu, Vibududu, Mahidrakudu, Kirti Ratudu, Maharomudu, Swarnaromudu, Hrasvaromudu. This Hrasvaromudu has 2 sons. One is Janaka and Kushadhvajudu. That Hrasvaromudu is my father, Janaka Maharaju is saying. Then after he gave the kingdom to us, kingdom to me, because I am the elder, Janaka, and then he went to Vanam. Vanam means he went to Vanaprastha Ashramam. And then what I did is, Sankashya Desham, I gave it to my brother Kushadhvajudu. And then I have Sita and Urmila and Sankashya Puraraju Kushadhvajudu, my brother. He has Mandavi and Shrutakirti. So this is what our Vamsham, that is saying with folded hands, with a request of Shatananda, and Janaka Maharaju told his Vamsham Pravara. So now all of them are done, all of them platform is ready, and listening to this, Dasharatha Maharaja asks, why don't you give your brother's son Mandavi and Shrutakirti to Shatrughna, Bharata and Shatrughna? And they were all very happy, and that's why now really entering into the Sita Kalyana Ghattam, Sita Rama Kalyana Ghattam. Now Janaka Maharaju is saying, Virya Shulkam Mamasutam Sitam Surasutopamam Dvitiya Murmilam Chaiva Trirdadamina Samshayaha. Mama Sita, Mama Virya Shulkam Mama Sutam. This Sita, Mama Sutam, my daughter, Sura Sutopamam, Deva Kanya, not an ordinary one. Sita, and then Dvitiyam Urmila, second daughter, both of them I'm going to give Manasa vacha karmana trir dadami. He says, I'm without any doubt, na samshayaha. I'm giving them to Rama and Lakshmana. And then, dadami paramaprito vadvau te raghunandana Rama Lakshmana yorajan godanam karayasvaha pitrukaryam cha bhadram te tato vaivahikam kuru. So I'm giving out of joy, Ananda Purvakamuga, I'm giving this Sita and Urmila to Rama and Lakshmana, and please do Godanam and Nandi Shraddham. See, this is what Samavartana Vratam it is called. See, what it is marriage ceremony is for progeny, Vamsha Vruddhi. So that is why they have to do invite all the elders. Pitrukaryam has to be done. That is called Nandi Shraddham. So that is why you perform that, oh Dasharatha Maharaja. And of course, charities are done. That's why when we invite them, all the Pitruganas, forefathers, they see that our clan is not going to stop here. This our grandson or great grandson is going to get married, it is going to continue. That's what they want. That is why when people do not have children, that's why they say, think about great fathers, forefathers, Pitruganas. Perform, think about them, do some puja, then you will have children. So that their blessings have to be there. That is why they do Nandi Shraddham. That's why Janaka Maharaja is telling to Dasharatha Maharaja, you do that. I'm happily go doing this. And then now Muhurtam he's telling, Magha Hrudya Mahabaho Trutiye Divase Prabho Phalgunyamuttare Rajan Tasmin Vaivahikam Kuru Rama Lakshmana Yorajan Danam Karyam Sukhodayam Uttara Phalguni Nakshatram. That is the what all the rishis have done. And then, so there we will perform the marriage ceremony and then we will do it. Sasatahi kruta godanaihi vrutastu drupatistada lokapalai rivabhati vrutas saumya prajapatihi. And then do all the godanam, and then so that it is good for all the progeny, Vamsham, and then Ram, good for well-being for of all our children. So this is what Janaka Maharaju prepared everything. Now, all of them, four of them, Rama, Sita, Lakshmana, Urmila, Bharata, Mandavi, Shatrughna, Shrutakirti. All four vivahas are done at the same time, same day. And then they all did so many danas, charities. And then that time, Yudhajittu. Yudhajittu means that Bharata's Menamama, Kekaya Raju's son, he also arrived. So then everybody was very happy, and then everybody is getting ready now. Yajna Vedika and all that with Mangala Dravyamalu. All that is big list is given. Even listening to these Mangala Vakyamalu gives us punyam. There is not much description. Basically, Yajna Vedika, whatever is used in Vivaham, that's all. All the Mangala Dravyamalu materials is given. तथेत्युक्त्वा तु जनकं वसिष्ठो भगवान् ऋषिः विश्वामित्रं पुरस्कृत्य शतानन्दं च धार्मिकं प्रपामध्ये तु विधिवद्वेदिं कृत्वा महातपाः अलङ्कारतां वेदिं गन्धपुष्पैः समन्ततः सुवर्णपालिकाभिश्च छिद्रकुम्भैश्च साङ्कुरैः अङ्कुराढ्यैः शरावैश्च धूपपात्रैः सधूपैः शङ्खपात्रैः स्रुवैः सृग्भिः पात्रैरर्घ्याभिपूरितैः लाजपूर्णैश्च पात्रीभिरक्षितैरभिसंस्कृतैः all the golden parts for all the do the achamanam, laja homam. The Agni Karyam they do, that's why they do the Agni Pradakshana. And then Laja means Pelalu, means puffed rice. All of them, all the Mangalakara Dravyam and Yajna Vedika, all of them beautiful Alankara Pudita Yajna Vedika is done. So now this is all Ghattam. We just enjoy the shlokas. This Sita Rama Vivaha Ghattaga, so many shlokas are given. ततः सीतां समानीय सर्वाभरणभूषितं समक्षमग्नेः संस्थाप्य राघवाभिमुखे तदा अब्रवीज्जनको राजा कौसल्यानन्दवर्धनं सर्वालङ्कारभूषिता सीतादेवी came there. Here very very famous this shlokam. Every Sri Ramanavami, all of them, they chant, the priests, every year we listen. Now, next year you will pay attention. This comes in 73rd Sarga in Balakandam, 27th Shloka. See, this Balakanda itself, all the Jananam Ram took place and Vivaham also. With Vivaham, it's going to conclude Balakandam. Iyam Sita Mama Suta Sahadharmachari Stava Praticha Chainam Bhadram Te Panim Gruhnishva Panina. So Iyam Sita Mama Suta. This Sita is my daughter. And then she's going to be your Sahadharmachari. And then Bhadram Swikarimpumu, take my Sita, my daughter. So, Panim Gruhnishva Panina. Take your hand, keep on her hand. Hastam. Pani Grahanam it is called. That is why olden days they used to call Pani Grahana for Vivaha, marriage. And now the Kanyadanam. He's telling about Sita. Pativrata Mahabhaga Chaye Vanugata Sada Ityukta Prakshipadraja Mantraputam Jalam Tada. Actual Kanyadanam now. So this Sita, Mahapativrata Mahabhaga, great Sita, she's going to Chaye Vanugata Sada. She's going to follow you like your shadow. She will always follow you because she is the Pativrata. Saying that, he did Mantraputa Jalam left. So then that is why it means Kanya Danam took place. Always a Danam time, Danam, Kanya Danam, greatest Danam. Vidya Danam, greatest Danam. So that is why he is leaving the water, Mantraputa Jalam on the plate, giving her, his daughter. And now all of them are very, very happy listening to this. So many shlokas, I will chant them, but I will give you what is happening. Deva, Rushi, Ganas, everybody says, Bagu, Bagu, so good, Sadhu, Sadhu. And Deva Dundubi is Pushpa Varsham, Apsaras are doing the dance, the Gandharvas are singing, they are all watching from the Urdhvarokas. That is why they want, because now the second step is done for Ravanavadha. First one is Rama Jananam. There all the Dundubis took place, Pula Varsham and all that. Now again, this is the second step. Everybody was very happy. Sadhu Sadhviti Devanam Rushinam Vadatam Tada Deva Dundubi Nirghoshaha Pushpa Varsho Mahanabhut Evam Datva Tada Sitam Mantrodaka Puraskrutam Abravijjanako Raja Harshenabhipariplutam. Now Janaka Maharaju is saying to Lakshmana, Lakshmana Gaccha Bhadram Te Urmila Mudyatam Maya Pratichapanim Gruhnishva Mabhut Kalasya Paryayaha. Oh Lakshmana, please come here. Before it goes beyond the time, Kalasya Paryayaha. Kalam gadichipokamunde. Before Kalatitam Kakamunde, please come. O Lakshmana, take my daughter Urmila. Praticha Panim Gruhnishva. With your hand, take Urmila's hand. And then next Bharata. Tameva muktva janako Bharatam chabhyabhashata Gruhana panim mandavyaha Panina Raghunandana. O Raghunandana, O Bharata, please come. Gruhana panim mandavyaha. Give your hand to Mandavya. Please accept her as your wife. Hastamuto hastam kattukonumu. Panigrahanam, please. Shatrugnam chapi dharmatma abravit janakeshwaraha shrutakirtya mahabaho panim gruhnishva panina. Now, oh Shatrugna Mahabaho Dharmatma, please come here. Take Shrutakirti's hand. Panim Gruhnishva Panina. So then offered all 4 girls to all 4 boys of Dasharatha son. Sarve bhavantaha saumyascha sarve sucharitas vrataha patnibhis santu kakutsa mabhut kalasya paryayaha. Please take all of 4 of you, 4 girls, and then take your wives and so then everybody agreed, took their hands and took the girls' hands. Janakasya vachasrutva panin panibhira sprushan chatvarasche chatasrunam vasishtasya mate stitam. Taking the Vasishta's permission, Janaka Maharaju said, doing as a father, he did his duty. Pani Grahanam, please take daughters, 4 of you. But now all 4 of you are taking the Vasishta Maharshi's Anumati, Agnya, command. They were asking him, give the command. Next step, Agnim Pradakshini Krutya Vedim Rajanamevacha Rushimshaiva Mahatmanam Asa Bharya Mahatmana Sabharya Raghusattamaha Yadhoktena Tada Chakruhu Vivaham Vidhipurvakam. So next what they did is, they did the Pradakshina to Yajnavedi and Agnihotram. And then they did the Pradakshina to Rishis, Vasishta, the Maharshis. Doing all that, they did Yatha Vidhi Vivaham, done. Marriage ceremony is done. Vivaham Vidhi Purvakam. All the marriage ceremony is done. Kakutsaischa Gruhiteshu, Laliteshu Chapanishu, Pushpa Vushtir Mahatyasid, Antarikshat Subhaswaram. And then everybody from Antariksham, all the Pushpa Vushti took place. Deva Dundibhis are done. Divya Dundibhi Nirghoshaihi, Gita Vaditra Nisvanaihi, Nandrutushchapar Apsara Saghana Sanghaha, Gandharvascha Jagukalam, Vivahe Raghumukhyanam, Tadadbhuta Madrushyata. Wonderful, great, unthinkable, unimaginable, beautiful Sitarama Kalyanam took place. Everybody is watching from all the worlds, Gandharva, Yaksha, Kinnera, Kimpurusha, all the Lokas, Devatas, Rishis, everybody. And then they are all doing the Dundibhis, Apsarasas are dancing, and then they did 3 times the Pradakshina to Agni. Idrushe Vartamanetu Turyod Gushtanivan Ninadite Triragnihite Parikramya. 3 times they did Pradakshina to Agni. Vuhur Bharyam Mahajasaha. Vuhu means Vivaham. They did the Vivaham. Ceremony is done. And then after the Vivaha ceremony done, now they are all going to the Vididi. Whatever the place the Janaka Maharaja is given, everybody went to that place. Adhopakaryam Jagmuste Sabharya Raghunandanaha Raja Pyanunayav Pashyan Sarshi Sanghasa Bandhavaha, all the Rishiganas, Muniganas, and then all the relatives, Bandhu Ganas, Sakutumba Saparivara Sametanga, Dasharatha Maharaju, all 4 sons, 4 daughter-in-laws, all of them went to that Vididi. Vididi means whatever Janaka Maharaju has given to them, they all went. And now they all have to go back to in-laws' place. That time Janaka Maharaja gave lot of gifts to everybody. Now both kings, Sita Mata, Parashakti, here Ramachandra Bhagavan, Vishnumurti himself, Sita Mata is none other than Lakshmi Devi, Parashakti, Adishakti. What is the Korata? Everything she has. Now Janaka Maharaju did Aranam, like so much is Aranam it is called. So many gifts he prepared, and then every marriage ceremony happily done. Everybody slowly going back to their own places, and Vishwamitra went back to his ashramam. On the way to this Ayodhya, Dasharatha Maharaju sees some kind of bad omens. Adharatyam Jatitayam Vishwamitro Mahamunihi Aprushtvā tau Rajanau Jagamottara Parvatam Ashirbihi Purayitva cha Kumaramscha Saraghavan. Now Vishwamitra took the permission and then went back to Himalaya Parvatam, and then they took the Janaka Maharaja's permission and they started going towards Ayodhya. Then what happened is Parashurama came, because you all know the story, very famous one. Sri Rama broke the Shivadhanusu, and Parashurama comes there to test Sri Rama that break this Vishnu Chapam. Then we will see how great you are. Like that, this is all divine plan, because Parashurama Avatara Samapti has to take place. That's why this Ghatana, this Ghattam took place. Tadidam ghora sankasham jamadagnyam mahadanuhu purayasva sharainaiva swabalam darshayasva cha tadaham te balam drishtva dhanushosya prapurane dvandvaiddham pradasyami virya shlaghasya raghava. So then Parashurama appeared there and then asking him to break this Vishnu Chapam. And then seeing that, Dasharatha was very, very saddened, because he is thinking the Rama is his son, and he is also very tender. He was very young that time. And that's why he's saying to Dasharatha is saying to Parashurama, Kshatra Roshat Prashantastvam Brahmanascha Mahayashaha Bala Nam Mama Putranam Abhayam Datumarhasi. My son is very, very Bala. He is only 16, 18 years that time. Very Bala, very tender. Please give him Abhayam. Don't ask me to do big things like this. Bhargavanam Kule Jataha Swadhyaya Vratashalinam Sahasrakshe Pratignyaya Shastram Nikshiptavanasi. And then, so what happened is, Dasharatha was begging him. Dasharatha was very scared. But still, Parashurama gave this Vishnu Chapam to Sri Rama. While giving the Chapam, Sri Rama took all his punyam and shakti and energy from Parashurama. That is, that time Parashurama realized this is none other than Vishnu Bhagavan, and then he Avatara Samapti, and then he went to Mahendra Parvatam, who Parashurama. And then everybody was very happy seeing that. Then they started going towards the Ayodhya Nagaram. Dasharatha Maharaju was also very, very happy. Everybody settled in now Ayodhya Nagaram. So many years they all enjoyed. Sri Rama and Sita, Lakshmana and Urmila. Somewhere in future, Aranya Kanda, Ayodhya Kanda, she tells to people, all the Rishiganas, saying that I enjoyed with Rama 13 years without any problem. 13 years I enjoyed. So everybody was happy, and then so many rutus means so many years have passed. So that is what they happened. एवं दशरथ प्रीतो ब्राह्मणानैगमास्तथा रामस्य शीलवृत्तेन सर्वे विषयवासिनः तेषामतिशयालोके रामः सत्यपराक्रमः स्वयं भूरिव भूतानां बभूव गुणवत्तरः रामस्तु सीतया सार्धं विजहार बहून् ऋतून् अनेक ऋतुవులు I mean so many years मनस्वी तद्गतस्तस्य नित्यं हृदि समर्पितः like made for each other. That's how they enjoyed everything. Everybody loved them. Priya tu Sita Ramasya Dharaha Pitrukuta iti Gunadrupa Gunaschapi Pritir Bhuyobhyavardhata Tasyascha Bharta Dvigunam Hrudaye Parivartate Antarjata Mapivyaktam Akhyati Hrudayam Hruda. Especially Rama was so happy because his father arranged this marriage. Because the reason he is saying is it does not come here. It comes in Ayodhya Kanda. Ayodhya Kanda, at the end of it, Sita herself tells to Arundhati. Arundhati Devi asks Sita Mata, please tell your Vivaha Gattam, and that time she tells in Ayodhya Kanda, Diyamanam natu tada prati jagraha raghavaha avijnaya pituschandam ayodhyadipate he prabho. Yes, that is sure. For sure, Ramachandra broke the Shivadhanusu, no doubt about it. But he did not marry me just like that immediately. He told Janaka, my father, I have to take my father's, Dasharatha's permission. If he accepts only, I will marry. That's what he said. That's why he tells in Ayodhya Kanda that in Ayodhya Kanda 18th Sarga 51. That's what he tells Ayodhya. And now this concluding shloka of Balakandam. Taya Sarajarshi Sutobhiramaya Sameyivanuttama Rajakanyaya Ativa Rama Shushubhe Mudanvito Vibhusriya Vishnuriva Mareshwaraha. So now the Ramachandra Bhagavan is Vishnumurti himself, and then with Lakshmi Devi, Sita Mata, with so much happiness, they are all living in staying in Ayodhya. All the Ayodhya people are happy, including Dasharatha Maharaja, 3 mothers, Kausalya, Sumitra, Kaikeyi. All of them, they are all Prakashamto very happy living in Ayodhya. This we are concluding the Balakanda, and now today we are entering into Ayodhya Kanda also. We have seen elaborately. Now, after the marriage, Bharata went to his Menamama place, uncle's place, means grandfather's place. This is how Ayodhya Kanda starts with his wife, all of them. Bharata and Shatrughna are one pair. Both of them went, Shatrughna also went with Bharata, and all of them went with them. And now Rama and Sita and Lakshmana and Urmila are here in Ayodhya. And Gacchata Matula Kulam Bharatena Tadanagha Shatrughno Nicha Shatrughno Nita Priti Puraskrutaha. That is why Ayodhya can't start. Now, Ayodhya Kanda is the longest one, 119 shlokas, longest one, because so much description is there, so much goes on in Ayodhya Kanda. And so everybody is happily living, and Dasharatha now what happens is plans for Ramachandra's Pattabhishekam, Yavaraja Pattabhishekam. He thinks Dasharatha's feelings now. Sarva eva tu tasyesham chatvara purusharshabhaha Swashariraad vinirvruttaha chattvara iha bahavaha. All the four sons are like his four came from him like four shoulders. So equal. But in that, in four sons, Rama is he loves Rama very much. Jeshtaputra. So he wants Rama to take as a crown prince. Rajya Abhishekam. And all of them also agrees with that. That is also the Vamsha Parampara. Kulam also has that, what do you call that order. First son has to be the king. So everything is conducive. Everything is very good. This Ayodhya Kanda, beautiful description of Rama. See this Ananta Kalyana Gunamulu. And then Bhagavat Gunaganamulu. That is what Bhakta wants to hear. Especially in Vaishnava Sampradaya, they love to hear Bhagavan's Gunaganas. So many shlokas are there. This is only for experience, not for meaning. Don't think all of them you have to explain. For example, like Veda Ghosha. Veda's chanting itself is very powerful. It becomes energized. All the surroundings. You don't need explanation. In the same way, Bhagavad Gunaganas, you do not need explanation. Listening to them beautifully. So many are there. I will take up some of them. Just listen and enjoy. Bhagavad Gunaganalu, how are they do? Dasharatha Maharaju is saying, Sakshatu Vishnu Bhagavan appeared as Rama. Sahi Devai Rudirnasya Ravanasya Vadardhibihi. That for Ravana Vadha. Ardhito manushe loke janye Vishnu sanatanaha. That Vishnu Bhagavan appeared as Nara, as a human being, as Rama, to destruction of Ravana Vadha. Kausalya Shushubhetena Putrena Mitatejasa Yadhavareena Devanam Aditir Vrajrapanina. Mother Kausalya was also looking like Aditi and shining. And now Rama Gunas. Katham Chidupakarena Krutena Ikena Tushyati Nasmaratya Pakaranam Shatamapyatmavattaya. He will remember one Upakaram, he will remembers forever. One Apakaram, he will 100 Apakaras, he will forget. The person does one greatness to him, he will remember forever. 100 bad things, he will forget. Sheela vruddhai, jnana vruddhai, vayo vruddhaischa sajjanaihi, kadhayan vainityam, astra yogyan tareshvapi. Always speak to Sheela vruddhulu, character people, jnana vruddhulu, vayo vruddhulu, and Satpurushulu. Always goes to Satpurusha and learn from them. Buddhiman, Madhura Bhashi, Purva Bhashi, Priya Brahmadaha. But he is a Madhura Bhashi, Purva Bhashi. He does not wait for other people to come and talk to him like we do. He always goes there and talks to them. Viryavan and Mahata Svena Vismitaha Nachan Akruta Kudho Vidvan Vruddhanam Pratipujakaha Hanuraktaha Prajabhischa Prajaschashvanurajyate. People love him. Sanu Krosho Jitakrodho Brahmana Pratipujakaha Dinanukampi Dharmagno Nityam Pragrahavan Shuchihi. Dharmagnaha, compassionate, conquered the anger. Kulochitamati kshatram dharmam swambahumanyate manyate paraya kirtya mahat swargaphalam tataha nasheyosi rato vidvan viruddha katharuchihi uttarottara yuktau cha vakta vachaspatir yadha. Vakulo Bruhaspati. अरोगस्तरुणो वाग्मी वपुष्मान् देशकालवित् लोके पुरुषसारज्ञा स्वाधुरेको विनिर्मितः. Very stays in young, always healthy, vakchaturyam, and then what time has anything has to be done, follows the time, and then follows the people. He does what has to be done. When everything has to be done, everything done he does. सम्यग् विद्याव्रतस्नातो यथा वत्साज्ञवेदवित् इष्यस्त्रे च पितृश्रेष्ठो बभूव भरताग्रजः. दृढभक्तिः स्थिरप्रज्ञो नासद्ग्राही न दुर्वाचाः निस्तन्द्रिरप्रमत्तश्च स्वदोषपरदोषवित्. He has, according to elders, he has Dudha Bhakti. He does not have unwavering mind, chapalatvam, laziness. He does not have always alert. And then, like that, he reads. Always, Satpurushas wants to stay with him. So, like that, so many shlokas. And then he knows how to distribute the wealth. He earns money. Beautiful shloka is, he says, we have to divide wealth in 5 portions. One for dharmaya, one for kirti, and then for own spending. Means we have to enjoy our life too, for food, shelter, clothes, all that. And then swajanayacha, for family, and then for investment. That's what I mean, give charity for dharma karyas, for kirti, all that. So 5 portions, he knows that also. Dhanurveda Vidam Sreshto, he knows very well archery. Like that, so many good qualities. And beautiful one, another one is Apradrushyascha Sangrame Krudhairapi Suraihi Anasuyo Jitakrodho Nadrupto Nacha Matsari Nacha Vamanta Bhutanam Nacha Kala Vashanugaha. Asuya Matsaryam, he does not have. Means jealousy, he does not have. What is Asuya? See, Asuya is really does not help. Jealousy will not help anybody. Our Swamiji used to say, Lobham means if you are greedy, you acquire everything. At least economy is growing because you are buying buildings and all of them. I want it. Lobham. And then Krodham, he is buying, let me buy it. Let me learn. Like that. And Kamam, desires. Yes, we invest and we buy saris, whatever it is. At least economy is growing. Asuya, nothing, nobody gets benefits, including himself or the society. What is Asuya? Let us see. Whoever has qualities, good qualities, all the good qualities they see as a defect. Singing well, or talking well, or sangeetam well, or poetry well, they see defects in them. Or chanting well, yeah, they did it. They did one swara wrong. Always sees the defects. Dosham. Means they will never encourage other person to do anything. Always pull them down. That is one quality. Jealousy, asuya means pull other people down. They will never praise. That gunamulu doshamuluga choduta. All the gunas they see as defects. And then second quality is asuya is whoever is prospering well, they cannot withstand. Fever comes. Like పొట్టనొప్పొచ్చిందండి కడుపు ఉబ్బిపోతుంది అంటారు తెలుగులో. మీన్స్ దే కెనాట్ విత్ స్టాండ్, ఓర్వలేకపోవటం. దట్ ఈస్ ద సెకండ్ క్వాలిటీ ఆఫ్ అసూయ. వన్ ఈజ్ గుణములను దోషములుగా చూడటం, రెండవది ఉన్నతిని ఓర్వజాలకపోవటం. That is why whenever we have this asuya, when we recognize these qualities in us, what to need, the remedy is also given. The remedy is praise them. That is the remedy. Then this asuya comes down. Not like just for a word's sake. That people do it anyway. We know that too. Not like that. Wholeheartedly we have to praise. Because all these are all subtle. Through subtle energy, we are all connecting. See, just it's not a physical transforming. Subtle energy transformation is happening. Because all this listening, all the energy is flowing towards all of us through universe. So that is what is happening. Sita Rama Kalyana Ghattam, that our goosebumps took place, Rama Jananam, all that. Why? Because this is all subtle energy. So that is why the remedy is praising the other person. Then we will not see the defects in other person, and we will see Atma upamyena sarvatra samam pashyati yorjuna sukham va yadiva dukkham. Bhagavan Sri Krishna says, seeing everybody as himself or herself, seeing their dukkham as their dukkham, seeing their sukham as their own sukham, live like that, oh Arjuna. This is what the greatest living. So that is why remedy is when we have a jealousy, first takeaway is recognizing that. We do not even recognize our own defects, our own negativities. First step is recognizing other. We say that. As long as we say other, they know there is no unnati in any field. First step is recognizing, saying the ownership, taking the ownership in our life. Yes, I do have these bad qualities, these negativities. Time has come. I need to transform myself. I need to do something. So that is why then we start to inner transformation takes place. Inner energy start flowing. Until then, there will be obstacles in our path. For example, physical example I will give. Everybody will understand. What happens in our body? The blood has to flow through our veins, arteries. They are very, very small. If the blood is pure, then it flows very well. If the blood gets all the cholesterol, fat stuff, all of them, then the blockages takes place. Isn't it? Then we breathe hardly, it is hard to climb, all the effects are there. Then we go to the doctor performs the angioplasty. If the blocks are very strong, he does the heart surgery, putting the stents to remove those blocks. Same example, we have to bring it here. All of us in our heart, we have all these blocks: Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsaryam, Raga, Dvesham, and then Asuya, all of them. Then they are all blocks. They are all subtle. We cannot show it to people. Even we do not even know. That is why recognizing them in us is the first step, greatest step. Then only we look for it, remedy. Then the doctor is Guru, our Shastras. Then they introspect us, make sure we do LASIK surgery on ourselves. They give the capacity to give the LASIK surgery on ourselves. Introspect ourselves, not other people. So far we have done, enough is enough. Then the blockages will go, our heart gets purified, In the heart, Sita Rama Lakshmana Hanumat Sameta Bhagavan is there. We recognize our that Hanumanji, Sita Rama Lakshmana Hanumat Sameta Bhagavan in our heart, then liberation takes place. So this is why all these stories are for that. So Ramachandra has all these qualities, will help us to introspect ourselves. So that's how this all this first shloka sargas will go on, and then this Dasharatha did not make the decision alone. In the Mantri Varya, everybody sitting in that Sabha Mantapam. He asked everybody, I would like to make this Ramachandra as the crown prince. Do you all agree with me? Everybody agreed. Not even one person said no. Everybody was ready, waiting. Tamevam guna sampannam Ramam Satyaparakramam Lokapalopamam Nadham Akamayata Whole world means Medini means Bhulokam. Everybody wanted that Rama as their king. Now Dasharatha, and not only that, they are saying to Dasharatha, oh Dasharatha, how fortunate you have to have this Rama. That is why all the Kalyana Gunas explained. That good is Ramachandra Bhagavan. Vatsa Shreyasi Jataste Dishcha Sautavaraghava Dishcha Putra Ganairyukto Mari Chaiva Kashyapaha Marichi Kumarudaina Kashyapudu. Like that, you have the greatest son. That is our Dishtya. Dishtya means Saubhagyam. So now, listening to Ramayana, reading these words, I also learned one thing. I will tell you. Because what happened is, we all say, take out the dishti, right? Nazar. Because what happens is, there are ill people, wicked people are there. Dishti means Saubhagyam. Means people are seeing that person with ill eyes. That is why taking that dishti means take out all that, means bring the saubhagyam. That's what we are asking, because not everybody wishes well for us, right? For everybody. That is why asuya is there. So that's why dishti means saubhagyam. So dishtya, that's what saubhagyam means. Dishtya. That's why this word comes in a lot in Ramayanam. Dishtya sau tavaraghava, dishtya putra ganaihi yukto. You have all the putras are, that is your saubhagyam. So please do crowning ceremony for Ramachandra. Tam deva devopamamatmajam te sarvasya lokasya hite nimishtam hitaya nakshipramudara mudabhishektum varadatvamarhasi. He is very much qualified. Please make him as a Yuvaraja Pattabhishekam. We are all waiting for this. So now, saying that, everybody is excited. Utsavam took place in Ayodhya. Everybody is getting ready. And then they brought all the sambaras, materials for all this Pattabhishekam, honey and ghee and pelalu, puffed rice, mangada dravyamulu, turmeric, all of them, rice, so many materials, a big list is given. All this in third sarga. Aho smiparam apritaha prabha vaschatulo mama yanme jeshtam priyam putram yavvarajastamichada. And then listening to all that, Dasharatha was very happy, and then told his minister, well-wisher Sumantra, please arrange everything and send invitation and design the muhurtam and make all the planning. That's what now the muhurtam. Chaitra Sriman Ayam Masaha Punya Pushpitakananaha Yavvarajaya Ramasya Sarvamevopakalpyatam Ragnastuparate Vakye Janaghosho Mahanabhut. Now Muhurtam is Chaitra Masam, and then because Chaitra Masam right now is going on, and then this Masam is very, very punyam, and then Pushpita Kananaha, whole, because flowers, spring season, right? All the flowers will bloom, everything is beautiful, everything is conducive. And then listening to that, everybody was saying, wow, very good, Janaghosha started happening. And then slowly all the invitations were sent, everybody was coming, all the arrangements were done, everybody, Sumantra was doing that. And then what happened is, that time Dasharatha Maharaja says, oh Sumantra, please bring Sri Rama here to my palace. Then Sumantra went and brought Rama to Dasharatha's palace. Dasharatha says very, very nice words, very useful to all of us. Tadvavadeva mecheto navimunchati raghava tavadevabhishinchasva chalahi pranina matihi. O Rama, so see, human beings' minds are very chanchalam. Mind is very fickle. Sankalpa vikalpatmakam manaha. One moment it says, I want it. Next moment it says no. Within not even a moment, fraction of a second. That's how mind is. Chamchalam. Even Arjuna has a big question in 6th chapter Bhagavad Gita. Chamchalam hi mana Krishna pramadhi balavadrudham tasyeyam nigraham manye vayoriva sudushkaram. This is very, very powerful. Constantly chanchalam, very fickle. Controlling of mind is very, very difficult. And he gives the example, vayoriva sudushkaram. Like controlling the wind, that's how it is, that much difficult it is. And you are asking me to control. So that is why by the Dasharatha is also saying this the mind part. O Rama, this mind is very chanchalam. That is why before I change my mind, and I want you to become like this Abhishekam, Yavaraja Pattabhishekam has to take place. Before I change my mind, this Yuvaraja Pattabhishekam has to take place. That's what Dasharatha is saying. Now let us see what is the divine plan. Then what the Muhurtam he is telling. Tata Pushye Bishinchasva Manastvarayati Vamam Shvastvaham Abhishekshami Yavarajye Param Tapa. So that is why Pushyami Nakshatram. Tomorrow, today, Chandrama is in Punarvasu Nakshatram. Today. Tomorrow, Chandrama is going to be Pushyami Nakshatram. On that Pushyami Nakshatram means that is tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to happen, this crowning ceremony is going to happen tomorrow. Before I change my mind, this is the Muhurtam has done by Maharshis. So tomorrow is the ceremony, and Ramachandra was quiet and did the namaskaram, and then listening to father's words, and then he went to mother. And then Dasharatha is telling him, I did all the Deva, Pitru, Rushigana, Runam. I did all of them very well because he was doing every day Swadhyayam, reading and arranging satsangas. Every day he is doing puja, doing the Pitrugana Seva, Bhuta Seva, all of them he was doing. Now my Runam, Atmanam Runam. Atmanam Runam means my Runam I have to do. Means this kingdom I have to give it to you. This kingdom came from my forefathers. Now time has come. I need to give this to you because you are my first son. That is the rule in our Vamsham, Ikshvaku Vamsham. Saying that Dasharatha is saying all that and listening to father words, Ram did pranam and went to see mother. And that time, Mother Kausalya is doing the dhyanam. Sumitra was there and they are all sitting there. Sita Devi is also there. Sita Devi, Lakshmana, Sumitra, everybody is there. And as Kausalya, Mata is there. Then Ramachandra goes and then says, Amba Pitra Niyuktosmi Prajapalana Karmani Bhavitashvobhisheko me Yatha me shasanam pituhu. Oh mother. And first he did the pranams to Mother Kausalya Devi. And then he said, oh mother, father made me, he's going to make me as like Abhishekam, like Prajapalana Karmani, doing the giving me the kingdom to do the Rajya Palana. So that is what father assigned me to do. He is doing. So I'm going to obey my father, and that's what he told mother. And now Ayodhya, everybody came to know whole Ayodhya decorated so well, so much description is there from 4 to 7 sargas. Beautiful, everybody was happy, wore new clothes, children are playing, get ready, they all know they get good food. Everybody is excited and everybody is happy. All of them so good. At that time, what happened is, this is all divine plan. Mandhara goes to upstairs. Mandhara is the Kaikeyi maid servant. She brought Mandhara from parents' house and she was there with her all the time. And she's everything she used to do, well-wisher, whatever Kaikeyi wants, she used to take care of. ज्ञाति दासी यतो जाता कैके यातु सुहोषिता प्रासादं चंद्र सज्जाशम आरुरोह यदृच्छया. And then Daiva Yadruchaya, that word Valmiki is using, Daiva Vashamucheta. As per divine plan, she went on the top of the building. And then seeing so much is happening, everybody was happy, excited, wearing new clothes, going here and there. Whole Ayodhya is filled with people. Seeing all that, she was wondering and asking other people, what is happening? We want to know. He said, Rama is going to get as a crown prince. That ceremony is going to take place. That is why we are all excited and waiting this for a long time. Then Mandhara became, she decided as per, remember, Yadruchaya, Daiva Sankalpam. She went to Kaikeyi with ferociously, jealousy. She went to Kaikeyi, told her everything. This is what is happening. Ramachandra Pattabhishekam is happening. First, listening to that, first expression is Kaikeyi was very, very happy. See, this is what happens in our life. See, listening to first, she was very happy, very excited. Beautiful shlokas. Ati vasatu samhrushta Kaikeyi vismayanvita ekamabharanam tasye kubjayai pradadau shubham idam tu mandhare mahyam akhyasi paramam priyam etan me priyamakhyatuhu kimva bhuya karomite. Oh Mandhara, you gave me the most beautiful news and you gave me beautiful words. Paramam priyam. I'm very, very happy. And right away she gave that necklace to her, most expensive, most beautiful big haram to Mandhara. And then what else can I give you? See, you like so much, I am ready to give you anything. But Mandhara, now Durbodha, now she's poisoning Kaikeyi's mind. How people can poison our mind? Very easy, right? positivity getting into very, very hard. Doing good things, dharmam is very hard. Saying the word is very easy. Dharma palana is very, very difficult. Doing adharmam, listening to negativities, spreading the negativities is very easy. Now Mandhara is poisoning Kaikeyi's mind. She's telling, see, Kausalya is going to be Rajamata, and you have to serve her like a maid. And your Bharata son is never going to become a king. Rama and then his sons are going to become these kings. And Rama will get all the satkaram, everything. People will forget Bharata, and people will forget you also. You are a silly lady, simple lady. You treated Bharata, Rama as your own son. And Dasharatha did not even tell you. He did not even ask your permission. Actually, when the marriage time came, your father Kaikeya Maharaju told Dasharatha Maharaju that whoever born to you, your son should become the king. That time, Yavana time, youthful time, to marry you, he agreed. All that she's telling. Not only that, you saved him 2 times. Devasura Sangramam time, Dasharatha collapsed. And you took the bow and arrow, you fought for him. And that moment, Dasharatha was very happy. And he told you, I will give you 2 boons, 2 varas, saving me 2 times. 1 for each time. I was not there. I did not know anything. You told me that Dasharatha gave 2 boons to you. That time you did not take it. You said, when time comes, I will ask you. You kept them in reserve bank, like a safe deposit box. You saved them. Now Mandhara is reminding her, telling the plan, what to do. See, negativities have their own forces, and people have their own plans. Positive people have their own sources, their own plans. So everything is happen simultaneously. Like our life, how the world is. All this Ramayana, look at how nicely it is showing. How the world is, how the life is, everything is so fickle. It's happening overnight. Just, time. Kalo, Jagat Bhakshakaha. In time, how everything happens. In seconds, minutes. See? And then now reminding everything. Then now what you need to do is you have to go to Kopa Gruham. Those days, if you get mad, they have their own house to enter into that. Because they are all kings. And then go there. And then Dasharatha comes, do not bend. Do not beg. No matter what, he will beg you. Don't do that. Remind him those 2 varas, and then she's saying what to ask also. Asking also, I'm telling you what you ask. Yautau devasure yuddhe varau dasharatho dadat tau smaraya mahabhage sordho matikramet Ramam pravrajayaranye navavarshani panchacha bharatakryatam raja prudivyaha parthivarshabha chaturtashihi varshani rame pravrajite vanam rudhascha krutamulascha sesham sthasyati sete sutaha. So you protected him 2 times. So those 2 varas are, one is send Rama Nava Varshani Panchacha. So now 14 years of Vanavasam to Rama. Send Rama 14 years exile, Vanavasam. Bharata Kriyatam Raja Prudivyaha. Make this Bharata as the king for this kingdom. So 2 boons you need to ask. But then do not bend. He is going to beg you. He is going to do everything because he loves Rama so much. And then Dasharatha, Kausalya went to that Kopa Gruham, that anger house. And then slowly, in the evening, Dasharatha remembers, oh, I did not tell Kaikeyi. Out of love, he comes to Kaikeyi Bhavanam. Bhagavan plan, nobody knows. We do not know what happens next moment. Divine plan. And then he comes to know that she is in Kopa Gruham, anger house, and then he goes there. What happened? Why are you behaving like this? Such a beautiful moment. Please do something, come out, and all that. She says, I will tell you, you have to give me pratigna. Then only I will tell you what I want. Because Mandhara's Bodha, right? Very powerfully she trained. First you have to take a vow. Then only pratigna that you will fulfill my desires. Then only I will tell my desires. Kaikeyi put the condition. Pratigna pratijanishva yadi tvam kartumichasi अध तद्वा हरिष्यामि यदपि प्रार्थितं मया. Then now this Dasharatha Maharaju is doing the pratigna, giving the oath on Rama, because I love Rama so much. Ayam muhurtam apashyamstu najiveyamaham dhruvam tena ramena kaikeyi shepete vachana kriyam. Shepe means vottu. Means taking the oath, ఒట్టు పెట్టి అంటే టేకింగ్ ద ప్రతిజ్ఞ. వావ్, ఒట్టు పెడుతున్నాడు. షెపే అంటే ఒట్టు. ఆత్మనావాత్మజైశ్చాన్యైః వృణేయం మనుజర్షభం తేన రామేణ కైకేయీ శపేతే వచన క్రియాం. I love Rama so much. On that Rama, I'm giving this Shape promise. I'm promising you, no matter what, I'm going to fulfill your desire. No matter what. He gave the promise to Kaikeyi. And then she tells that desires, 2 desires. Because he gave me 2 boons, I never asked you. This is your duty also to give me those boons. And now you did pratigna, you should not go back. Then you become asatyavadi, adharmavadi. She is also threatening, blackmailing. Then listening to those words, this Dasharatha started shivering. He begged Kaikeyi, and then he got angry, avesham. And then without the sun, without the water, I can survive. But without Ramachandra, I cannot survive. Nindistunadu, kopadutunadu. And he's trying to change her mind. See, interestingly, that is why Ramayana is saying he is not trying to go back from his words. Because he did the pratigna. He knows dharmam, dharmagnya satyavak paripalana, whole Ikshvaku Vamsham. He's not trying to go back. Oh, I don't care, I gave you. I don't have to do it. This is a long time ago. I'm going to do whatever I want. Now you hear these words. See, those days, how really people are. He's not trying to do that. All he's trying to do is change her mind. At least maybe she's also very nice, gentle. Maybe she might change her mind. That's what she's trying to do. He's trying to do. Meanwhile, so many sargas from almost like 11 to 18 sargas, so many dialogues, so much dialogues between Kaikeyi and Dasharatha, so much begging, all this happens. And then now, before almost getting to dawn is going to come, everybody's getting ready for Abhishekam. And then what happens is the Sumantra comes because he wants king. he comes to know that Dasharatha is in Kaikeyi's Antapuram. Then he comes there. That time, actually Dasharatha would not speak. This Kaikeyi speaks to Sumantra, says that Dasharatha's order, go and bring Rama. And then let us see. Sumantra goes happily, maybe before Abhishekam, Pattabhishekam, Dasharatha wants to talk to Rama and then just encourage him, give him guidance and all that. And then Rama, always Nirvikaram, he comes with Sumantra. And then that time, he says, Kaikeyi tells him, so that, oh, Rama, these are your father's words. Not, she would not say that is her plan. Your father wants you to go to forest for 14 years and then Bharata is going to be the king of this Ayodhya. So then Bhagavan Ramachandra says, no problem. I am here to obey my father's orders. If that is my father's wish, I will do it. And I don't have any problem because my Dasharatha Maharaju is not only my father, he is my guru, he is my mentor, he is my well-wisher. Happily I will go, no problem. And for Bharata, I will do anything. And then please bring Bharata now from your father's house. Do the Pattabhishekam to Bharata. And then Kaika says, do not delay, O Rama. Then like a mind is fickle. Anything can change any time. Time is precious. Do not delay. You just have to leave right away, right now. Kaikeyi orders. And then he did the namaskaram to Kaikeyi, and then he went to Mother Kaikeyi did the namaskaram and pradakshina, but he could not see the father. He is already lying on the ground, but he knows that the father is distressed. But Mother Kaikeyi says he is not feeling well. He consoles him, send him away. Rama did the pradakshina and namaskaram to Kaikeyi and then goes to Kausalya, to his own mother. Now beautiful dialogues and beautiful raksha, so much is happening in these sargas. Then he tells his own mother Kausalya. Kausalya says, this is very unfair. I want to come with you to forest. Even if I am alive, there is no point in leaving. And not only that, you have to take my permission also, because I am your mother. Not only fathers, I have to give permission to go also. And then I will come with you. I will eat kandamulas and please take me also. Sri Rama says, oh mother, you should stay here. He instructs, beautiful shlokas are there. And then, oh mother, I am doing the dharmam. Whatever has to be done, I am doing. And gives examples also. So many people are following their Pitruvakyam, father's words. Naham dharmam apurvam te pratikulam pravartaye purvairayam abhipreto gato margo nugamyate tade tattu maya karyam kriyate bhuvinan yatha piturhi vachanam kurvan nakaschinna. So many people have followed their father's words. Pittu Vakya Paripalana. I have to do it. So many people have followed this margam, that path, saying that Sagara Kumaras Parashurama Kandu Maharshi. They have done greatest things for listening to their father. So I'm also following their path. So that's why I have to follow that path. This is the Sanatana Dharma. See how much importance given for listening to father and Pitru, mother's words. See, Tallitandru, see, that is how we all grew up. Until, let us say, 30 years ago, we all grew up listening to Ramayana. It's in our system. It's in our society. Inbuilt. Automatically, it happened. Not questioning elders, all this. We all know, we all grew up in that way. So that is why Shokavesham is Kausalya. Roshavesham is Lakshmana. At that time, Dhairyam, Nilakada is Rama. So that's what is now is going to show in these sargas, all these. So now just a beautiful shlokas I'm sharing with you. Now Lakshmana was very, very rosham, angry. Then consoled mother, now consoling Lakshmana. Dharmo hi paramo loke, dharme satyam pratishtitam, dharma samsritam etacha, pitur vachanamuttamam, soham na sakshyami, pitur niyogamati vartitum, pitur hi vachanadvira, kaike yasmi prachoditaha, tadenam visrujanaryam, kshatra dharmasritam matim, dharmamasraya maityaksham, madbuddhiranugamyatam. Oh, Lakshmana, please do not have any kopam towards your brother or your mother, Kaikeyi, or father. It's not dharmam. Cool down, calm down. Oh, mother, you also do not have shokavesham, do not have shokam. I'm doing the dharmam. That's why, please calm down. And I'm only following father's orders. Piturhi vachanat viraha. Vira person should follow their father's words. I'm not doing much. Previous people have done, so many people have done. I'm following their path. And then Sanatana Dharma, he's telling, Tvaya maya cha vaidesha Lakshmanena sumitraya pitir niyoge svathavya Yesha dharma sanatanaha. See, myself, you, oh mother, Sita, Lakshmana and Sumitra, all of them, we all have to follow father's words. That is the Sanatana Dharmam. That's what Rama is consoling everybody, teaching all these words, Sanatana Dharmam. We have to do our job. And then Rama orders everybody, whatever is prepared for all this Abhisheka, you just give back. And then he decided, decisive power. Oh mother, I decided to follow father's words and I'm going to go to Vanavasam. Then listening to Rama's words, Kausalya was consoled and now she also became happy. And she blesses Ramachandra. This is all the blessings are so. She first she does is achamanam for purification of all the shokam, and all the mental and physical level has to get purified. Even the words manasa, vacha, karmana, all them has to get purified. Then she does first step. She does the achamanam, and then she blesses Ramachandra Bhagavan. So that is how this Aranya Ayodhya Kanda take place. Beautiful section, most beautiful Ayodhya Kanda, Sarga 25. All the blessing shlokas we will see tomorrow. Now with Raksha, and then all this is going to take place. So much is going to happen in Ayodhya Kanda. Very huge, 118 sargas. All that we will see tomorrow. All the what kind of rakshas we need, from whom all this is very much applicable to us. This is a 25th sarga is very, very useful, very, very applicable to all of us. Kausalya blesses Sri Ramachandra. With this, I'm going to conclude today's pravachanam. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Harihi Om. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Harihi Om, everybody.
Hari Om. Thank you, Shamala.
Hari Om,
Thank you, Shamala Garu. It's very nice.